Have you ever wondered what makes Bitcoin different from Ethereum? Or how Ripple distinguishes itself from Litecoin? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome to a journey through the digital world of cryptocurrencies where we will be comparing and contrasting some of the most popular types. Let's start with the big one, the one that started it all, Bitcoin. Invented back in 2009 by an anonymous figure who goes by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin operates on a technology known as blockchain. This is a type of distributed ledger enforced by a disparate network of computers. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold due to its finite supply, much like the precious metal. But what about Ethereum? Ethereum, created by Vitalik Buterin in 2015, is more than just a digital currency. It's an open-source platform that uses blockchain technology to create and run decentralized digital applications, or dApps, that enable users to make agreements and conduct transactions directly with each other to buy, sell, and trade goods and services without a middleman. Here's where it gets interesting. While Bitcoin is primarily a currency, Ethereum is also a platform that supports peer-to-peer contracts and applications via its own currency vehicle. This has led to an interesting dynamic where Bitcoin is more like a store of value, while Ethereum is seen as more of a backbone for digital infrastructure. And then there's Ripple, or XRP, a digital payment protocol that enables real-time international money transfers. It was designed to work seamlessly with the internet to allow a direct transfer of value between parties. While Bitcoin and Ethereum aim to disrupt traditional banking systems by rendering them unnecessary, Ripple instead chooses to work with the existing system, making it a favorite among many banks and financial institutions. Then we have Litecoin, often considered the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Created by Charlie Lee in 2011, Litecoin offers a faster transaction confirmation time and a different hashing algorithm than Bitcoin. It was designed to be a lighter version of Bitcoin, hence the name, making it ideal for smaller transactions and everyday use. Now let's summarize. Cryptocurrencies are more than just digital currencies. They represent a wide range of technologies and platforms, each with their own unique features and uses. Bitcoin is the digital gold, a store of value with a finite supply. Ethereum is a platform for creating decentralized applications with its own currency, Ether. Ripple is a digital payment protocol that works with the existing financial system, and Litecoin is a lighter, faster alternative to Bitcoin. Each of these cryptocurrencies has its own strengths and weaknesses, its own use cases and value propositions. They are all part of a larger ecosystem that is still evolving and growing. So, whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a curious newcomer, understanding the differences among these cryptocurrencies can provide valuable insight into the digital future that is rapidly unfolding.